output ports here. Okay, first, of course, is my darling child, Minnie. Next, there's Penelope and Pluto, and my brother. And there's Mr. Turtle. Here's the snake. This is Jack Jack. And here's Donald. This is Gizmo, Beatrice, Otto, Henrietta and her babies. Oh, sorry, baby. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Poof. It's Poof. This one's Roostifer. More chickens. Some bats living rent-free. Wild bats. Not really pets, but cute. Bailey. Reebok. Bailey and Betty. Bailey. Betty. Oh, I think that one's Porridge. That's Rachel. Monica. Ursula. Honey. And Harold. And Speedy just went around the corner.